Sanbonani Dumelang Senchao. My name is Judicious Masuku, and I am happy to see you again. Today I decided to be outside because I need the fresh air. I need to see the sunrise. The sky is clear and the sun is shining. In my spirit, I feel it that it is a dawning of a new day. We are reaching a turning point. Things were sour in the previous days, weeks and months, but now I can see the light. I can see a victory. Someone is asking themselves in their mind, what is this person talking about? Okay, I am ready to share my journey. I am ready to share my life experiences. And concerning, or maybe rather the topic, depression. It's heavy, I know, but there is light at the end of the tunnel. If you are struggling with depression, I just want to tell you that it doesn't matter what dark state, dark mood you are. There is light at the end of the tunnel. I will unpack my life, I will unpack my experiences and what I have learned through this journey. But for now, I choose to say bye because I have a class. I have an online class. See you soon and have a beautiful day. Make sure to wake up, open the windows, feel the fresh air. We need that, and that is free. Thank you.